Okay, so right now I have my eraser brush selected. I'm going to select, and this is going to be very rough, but I just want to show you what this looks like. So I'm selecting my polygon. I'm just going to get rid of a portion of this, so I'm just going to kind of drag, oops, start that over. I'm going to drag and make a little cutout of whatever it is that you're trying to do, okay? So I'm going to take that, okay, you've already got that part done. I'm going to use my clone tool. I'm selecting option because I want it to select the color outside of that, and I click. I'm going to right click and I'm going to look at my hardness, and I'm going to change my hardness from 0 to 45 because I don't want it to be too soft. So then I'm just going to color this in. I'm option clicking again because I need to change the way that I'm doing that. Color out here. Okay, so this is what you've got. You've got all this roughness. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you've got this roughness down here that you want to get rid of. I'm going to deselect that one, whatever. And then I'm going to take my healing tool right here. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to look to see what size it is. And I'm going to change my hardness to around 18% is fine. And I'm going to option click out here, and I'm going to stay away from my color, and I'm going to color it in. I'm just kind of going over this. And see how it smooths out that line, that the line's not there anymore. Okay, if I have to get close to this area right here, let's say I need to make this smoother, I'm going to go back to my clone stamp, okay, and then I'm going to make my size smaller, and you can see what that size is if you come back out of your box area. And then I'm going to change my hardness down to like 91 because I don't want it to be too hard, but I don't want it to be too soft either, okay? Then I'm going to option click again as close as I can, and then I'm going to just lightly color on that until I'm comfortable with it. So right now I removed that point. I'll remove this point. I'm going to option click again. I'll remove this point. So you just have to keep going back and forth. If you needed to, like here, there's a little bit of color that's coming out of there. I'm just going to color that in so that it goes right up next to my color. So same with this one right here. Just going to color it in, correct my mistake, round my point, whatever you got to do. But for the blending portion of it, you need to stay away from that color. I selected my healing brush tool again. I'm going to get rid of this line right here, and I'm by dragging along here. Now you can see that it picked up that little flaw. That's not a problem. We'll just go back to our we're still on our healing brush. Just click somewhere else and then just kind of go over that real quick, and then voila, it's gone. So my line is gone, like this line right here. I can make this go away real quick. But again, don't get too close to your color because whatever is around it, it will pull that color out. So there you go. I hope that helped.